Chaos Nation? Big Rob here, coming to you from the Valley of the Sun. We're at 74 degrees, upright. Happy to be here, honored to bring you this video. By now, I'm sure there are 55 updates on numerous YouTube channels, so I'm a little late to the party, but better late than never, right? So with that being said, a lot of the stuff I'm going to cover you already probably know. You've probably already heard about it, talked about it, but I always like to throw in my 2 cents because I just like to do what I like to do. So with that being said, I watched John Bravo's videos this morning. Shout out to you, John, covering the case really well. Love it. This morning, there was an arraignment where bail was set, bond was set for Mr. Watson at $2,500 for each count, one for the aggravated battery and one for the felony battery. Looks like he's got a trial date that's going to be set. Judge ordered him to stay away from the victim, basically putting kind of a restraining order on him, and his attorney quickly shut him down when Wes Watson had a little something to say, shut him up, put him in his corner, and said he'd handle it.
See any local or out-of-county priors here, I would defer to the court and just simply ask for the stay-away order.
The victim suffered a face fracture, concussion, and 2 black eyes, but it looks like you have a very valid legal argument, Mr. Gottlieb.
Thank you, Your Honor. I would ask for an ROR.
Well, you are ordered to stay away from Hakeem Ibrahim, the alleged victim. No contact with the victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim's home, school, and place of employment at all times. Do you understand the statement, sir?
Yeah.
All right. So I understand he went to the gym. He punched him, and then they used the weight. He used the weight belt.
Correct.
So it aggravated. There's probable cause for, I guess, the felony. You want me to split them both, $2,500 each? I'm not giving an ROR.
I understand, Judge. $5,000 is acceptable. Thank you.
$2,500 bond count 1, $2,500 bond count 2. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too. Mr. Watson, I'll take care of that. Thank you.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Could you repeat the bonds?
$2,500 count 1, $2,500 count 2 with a stay away order. If he comes to your gym, call the police. Don't engage, because if you get arrested for anything else, you'll be locked up in jail until your trial.
Okay, I just want to, real quick.
Mr. Watson, please don't make any statements. You and I can talk about it. Thank you, sir.
Sorry about that.
No problem. No problem. I'll make sure your bond is arranged. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Take care.
John, you want me to, which one do you want to call first? This one or that one? Or this one?
Kudos to Wes Watson, though, for having a few bucks to actually afford an attorney and not have a public defender. So that's a good thing for him. He might, whittle down that felony into something else. We'll see how that pans out. But, that's a good start that he's got an attorney who appears to be a pretty strong one, probably cost him about $10,000, maybe $20,000 on a retainer, seeing as if he was going to post the bond or bail for him, which will be about $5,000 or maybe less. Who knows? I don't know how Florida works. But by now, Wes Watson should be at home, resting comfortably. We'll see if he's going to be making any YouTube videos. Sometimes those YouTube videos can get you in trouble too, because if he's saying, inflammatory remarks or whatever, that'll make its way to the judge and the jury. So I'm going to put a little feeler out there for Wessie. If he listens to the video or if someone passes it on to him or it trickles into his life, be careful what you put on YouTube for the next few months, because it could be held against you in a court of law. So watch what you say. That's what I'm going to, my advice for him, it's my best advice, is to just be quiet, sit in the corner like your attorney told you, and try to get through this without having to do much time, if at all. And then, of course, lay low when you get out to the gym. I don't know if you're going to have an ankle monitor on or what, but, be mindful. So, judge did order him. If you see him at the gym, leave, do the right thing. You could have done that in the first place. Didn't do that. So this is where he's at. So, you know, it just kind of is where it is. That's the update that was provided this morning. And at least everyone knows now that, you know, charges have stuck for now. There's going to be a trial. He's out on bond. And the rest, I guess, we'll just have to sit back and wait to see what happens. Not that I'm holding my breath or give two shits either way, but something to talk about in the world of fitness. And, you know, as of late, Wes Watson is the spotlight. Everything else is kind of just dust. So for now, Wes still has the spotlight, even though there's people in the fitness industry that don't know about him. We're just covering it, you know, putting it out there. And I'm not really covering it like everyone else. There's some YouTubers out there really getting down with it, putting the theatrics in it and all that good stuff, which is pretty cool. I just don't have time to sit there and watch each and every one of them. But it's pretty entertaining, so that's kind of cool. Just wish, you know, when there's a Mike Rashid story, they'd cover that one. But I digress. Just make it about Wes Watson. He's a soft target, you know. Can't really fight. You already saw that. So anyways, on my way to the gym, gonna get some work done myself, and then run some errands, do my damn thing, maybe check in on the political side of the world. It's always pretty wild when you do. Keep your eyes and ears open, and you know, we can have a little fun here and there about the Wes Watsons of the world, but you know, there's a lot more things to cover, a lot more things to keep in mind, finances, all kinds of stuff. So, you know, stay abreast to the latest things that are happening. It's good for you. Stay ride or die for yours, guys. You know, that's the message every day. It's hard to do in this day and age, but do your damn best and keep getting out there doing whatever it takes to be successful. Just try not to con too many people over and shit on them, because you know, karma, she does what she does. Just use Wes Watson as the example. So thank you for tuning in. Thanks for your time. As always, appreciate all your likes, comments, everything you do for this channel and for my Instagram. And till next time, guys, I'm Big Rob. I'm out.